Hi, this is Asrar and you're watching Gizmothon. I wanted to talk to you about the desk spread that I ordered from Scarters. In case you're not aware, Scarters is an Indian brand that makes bags and other accessories, and they're based out in Pune. When I was looking for a nice mousepad, I came across this particular product from Scarters, and I wanted something that was wide enough to keep my keyboard on it as well. So I picked this one up. It only comes in one variation right now. That's the blue color, and it has the reversible yellow color. Size that's available in is also one single size, so it's 90 centimeter by 45 centimeter. It's almost 3 feet by 1.5 feet. So it's quite wide and it's perfect for what I wanted because my table is actually a 5 by 2.5. So it's actually wide enough to hold this desk spread. Initially, I wasn't even sure about the yellow color. I thought I'll probably just use it with the blue color on top. But then when it arrived, I actually ended up really liking the yellow color as well. It's very subtle. It's really nice and maybe adds a little more color to the desk setup that I have as well. Now let's talk about the product itself. In terms of the material, it's made of vegan leather, which is basically PU leather. It's really nice and soft touch. It's got a really nice leather texture to it on both the sides, which makes it really nice to work on. And because it's PU leather, it's also splash resistant. So in case you accidentally spill something on it, you're covered and you can just wipe the surface and you'll be fine. Now, the other thing that you need to keep in mind is, but because this is reversible, it doesn't have any anti-skid mat or anything like that on the surface. But with my limited usage on this, it has held up pretty well and doesn't really slide or skid around on the table. So you don't have to probably worry about that either. Now let's talk about packaging. You get this rolled in a box. You also get a loop made of the same material in case you want to keep it folded after you've removed it from the box. You also get a thank you note from the founder of Scarters, which is also a really nice and personal touch, is what I believe. Now, with respect to the pricing, the product retails at $19.95, but you can get a 15% discount on the site if it is your first purchase. They have a coupon code that runs. And you can also pick it up from Amazon. There's a lightning deal sometimes, and you can get it for cheaper with additional card discounts as well. I will add my affiliate links in the description below. If you want to support the channel, I would really appreciate it if you pick it up from my affiliate links as well. I actually picked up the product through the site itself, and they actually shipped it through Blue Dart, and the product arrived within 2 days, which I feel is fantastic. Even during COVID times, they were able to deliver the product within 2 days. It was way before their promised date of deliveries, which is fantastic, is what I feel. Now let's talk about the not so good parts about the product. I don't have a lot of negatives for this product, but because this comes rolled in the box, and probably that's the only way to ship this, the sides don't stay flat on the table. This is obviously a temporary problem, and it probably will take some time for it to stay flat on the table. I've tried to roll it the other way around as well, but it hasn't really helped. And I hope that it will eventually be fine, and I will keep you guys posted in the comment section on how this goes. The other thing that I don't like as much is the size of the logo on the product itself. This is probably just nitpicking, but I feel like having a smaller logo in the corner would have added to the premium feel of the overall product itself. Because I feel it's a tad bit bigger right now for the product. So that's all I had. I hope you liked the video. Feel free to hit a thumbs up if you did. And in case you loved the video, feel free to subscribe as well for more content like this. I will really appreciate if you help me grow the channel. I'm looking to hit 10K subscribers by the end of the year. And I'm looking to post more videos as well. So if you like the content, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys stay safe.